What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal holdings with the ticker symbol PYPL. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So here we have PayPal on the daily chart. You see that the downward correction looks to be coming to an end very shortly. This was all one large leg right over here. And the second leg down started right over here, targeting the lower 80 level, $80 to 81. Price came very close to it, right around 81.85, 81.79. So this could be end of this correction, especially with the failed breakout of this range. This could be a failed breakout. You see that price was kind of mostly trading sideways in this yellow box. It broke out on the top a couple times, failed, broke on the bottom. Looks like price looks to be coming back upward. So looks like PayPal had a decent sized pullback. These are all simple pullbacks right here. Whenever there's one leg down right here, that's a simple pullback. Another one leg down, simple pullback. This is more of a complex pullback, which is in the form of two legs. These are all simple pullbacks as well, right over here. So we saw a complex pullback, which is going to occur in a more mature trend. I mean, this uptrend started back in July, ended in December. So that's pretty mature trend. You're going to see a decent sized pullback develop. It's not going to continue to make small pullbacks. So we finally saw a decent sized pullback relative to the size of the uptrend, which tells me that there's a good chance that we're going to be expecting to see another long-term uptrend in the future. So PayPal still looking pretty good. Even if we do see a drop down lower, I'm not expecting much, probably low 80s. I don't expect this to be a top. I'm expecting price to come to an end in this downtrend very soon, if not already, and then continue rallying up from here to retest the prior high and even higher. So that's what the daily chart is telling me. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart is looking bullish as well. You can see the price finally came back to the EMA in this entire uptrend dating back to July. Price was overextended, pulled back to the EMA. This is generally an indicator that tells me that the trend is still pretty strong to the upside. This line right here, this was prior resistance. You can drag it down a little bit, and it could mean that we have bounced off of it at the lower 80s. Maybe it's a little bit higher, or it's not doing much. Either way, this trend still looks pretty good after a large impulse followed by a two-legged correction. That could mark the start of a second large impulse, and that would be targeting the 118 level. So if we have seen the bottom and you start seeing price rally above the 80s, I would say if once it clears the $88 level, $89 level with strong buying, a strong impulse through that level, a strong decisive break of the $88 level, is most likely going to be targeting triple digits, most likely up until the 118 level before the next large pullback begins, which coincides as well with the prior resistance. You can see how well these work out. This level works out. This was prior resistance here, and now that's what the next target is at. So it makes sense that this would be the next logical area for the price to reach. So that's all I have for PayPal on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.